Yeah, the Constitution of the United States protects all people, regardless of immigration status.
Aaron Hall is an immigration attorney. He says regardless of who is contacted by law enforcement and why, everyone has rights.
All people in that apartment complex, citizens, lawful permanent residents, others, people without status, they have rights under those amendments, the 4th and 5th Amendment. And one of those rights would be they do not have to allow a law enforcement officer into their home, absent a warrant signed by a judge. They don't have to answer questions about where they're from, where they were born. They can just say, I want to see a warrant.
Hall has advice for anyone dealing with law enforcement.
The key questions that people should ask if approached by law enforcement are, am I free to go? And if the answer is no, that means that they're under arrest. They're being detained if they're not free to go, and they should ask to speak to a lawyer.
Advice that Hall says is especially relevant with so many questions remaining after Wednesday's ICE raids.
We've been struggling to figure out who these people are. You know, do they have removal orders? Are they recent arrivals? Were they interdicted at sea? Like, who are they? What rights do they have? And when that information isn't made public in a timely manner, it leaves immigration advocates, lawyers, families wondering what the heck's going on.
And Hall says if federal agents do have a warrant, families should demand they slide it under the doorway or show it through a window so they can make sure it's legit and signed by a judge. And for families who have kids, he says parents should consider putting powers of attorney in place just in case they're detained and have to leave their kids behind. Colton Chavez, 9 News.